up.
The
Disengage.
main. Whoa, damn. The nose was so perfect, it just everything was spinning in the back. Oh my, no wobble. Okay, you replaced all three of them?
No, just the front landing gear.
Okay, nose.
The main landing gear, I had to replace a screw that came out of it.
That didn't mess anything up, did it?
No, it just made it ganky.
Okay. Yeah, I ordered a new landing gear for my Sequoia. Not Sequoia. Super.
50%.
It's supposed to have been here yesterday. It said 10 days. Oh my.
Time remaining 2
It was
minutes.
from eflite.
50%.
I'll do that, but okay. And that's with free ship.
Couldn't see it
25,
until just now.
0.
Yeah, the light is what I saw.
0.
Yeah. Me too.
I didn't see the plane.
25, 0.
Look at that angle of attack. You can't go wrong with this ship power.
Gear up.
No, come on, y'all. Nothing rough.
Hey, Johnny, try going straight up. When you get up high, try going straight up and turning the whole way going up.
What do you mean turning?
No, just go straight up and turn as you're going up. Yeah. I like that.
50%.
Wow, I think the power.
There you go.
50%. 50%. %.
What, high?
26%. Landing flaps.
I think people think if you cut it short, then you won't have to cut it as off. But what happens is you kill the rest.
50%.
Right now,
Let's see the angle of this.
0.
it needs to be longer.
24 and at 0.
I got it as high as I can now. Like it's about almost 4 inches. Yeah.
Reverse full.
The wing is definitely.
Gear up. Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm usually the one that gets it from the door.
I thought I was bad, but
Fuel remaining 50.
I can't even see his planes.
Oh, I see it now.
He must have like 20/20.
He does.
I know he does. He got to.
Reverse full.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go to the gym.
Yeah, do something for your body.
up. 25 for 50%.
Mark.
Oh, yeah. Thousands of years. It's not like it's 18.
Stone.
Oh, yeah.
50%.
How you doing? Hello, good morning,
came from the
afternoon.
same place.
How much is this?
50%.
And then it was it's Spanish. They speak
Yeah.
Spanish.
50%.
Oh,
I mean, it starts in France.
okay. Yeah, I know
understand,
enough
like,
to get
2
by.
days.
I
I don't.
50%.
I don't know nothing.
When I was at
50%.
Maryland and we had to do an inspection, it was up in the mountains where the antenna is up in Puerto Rico, and nobody wanted to go. They were afraid to go. And then somebody said, Albert, why is you Spanish? Right? Yeah, I said, yeah. They said, you want to go? I said, I'll go. And the airport, I've been there. The San Juan.
Oh, that's
100%.
Look at the nose, don't even.
Well, I thought
0.
Well, the kids
Yeah, you
in
know.
Becca are learning that now in elementary.
Yeah.
K5 through 7.
Yeah, I think the best
25 for
language to learn.
0.
I mean, it's the second most used language,
Yeah.
and
Yay.
but my kids learn Latin. Well,
Yeah.
we live in the woods anyway.